Hi, my name is Frederick, and I am a child and family art therapist at Growing Minds Center for Child and Family Therapy. Since March, many aspects of our lives have been moved virtual, which means acquainting ourselves with how things appear on Zoom and other virtual communication platforms. This means not only are we presenting our faces on the screen, but often we are also showing what we are working on in front of us. In this case, specifically for expressive therapies, your child may be sharing artwork and other forms of play with the therapist. Something we often say as art therapists is the process is just as important as the product. And in virtual times, we often only get to see the product since we are not in the room face to face. Because the process is equally as important, I wanted to share an easy and fun way that you and your child can create a tabletop easel from everyday materials, as well as how this can be used and presented visually in virtual expressive therapy sessions. This will allow for view of both the child and the play or artwork, allowing the child and therapist to engage both during and after creation. So let's get started with some of the materials that you'll need to make this tabletop easel. First, save your pizza box from when your family orders in for pizza one night. You can use this as it opens and closes, and also save an extra sheet of cardboard so that we can add it to this later on. Aside from the pizza box and piece of cardboard, you're also going to want to collect maybe a hot glue gun or some other fast-drying glue, a pair of scissors in case you need to trim or measure out your second sheet of cardboard, as well as some tape for holding the artwork in place on the easel once it's complete, and you can also use binder clips if you wish, and I will show you how each of those look later on. First, take your extra piece of cardboard and a pair of scissors and measure the piece of cardboard to the pizza box. It should match up with the edges of the pizza box. Next, open your pizza box and place some hot glue along the lip. Next, take your extra piece of cardboard and press the top edge firmly against the lip of the pizza box. It should adhere exactly to that lip and be able to be moved back and forth within the inside of the pizza box. You can also open the bottom lip of the pizza box to allow for more space for paint cups, colored pencils, and other art and play materials to sit. Your child can add art materials directly to the cardboard box, as I'm doing now, or you can always get some little cups or little bowls to place the materials in. Next, grab your paper and your tape and some binder clips and adhere the drawing paper to the pizza box easel. First, the binder clip. You can either do this on the side or the top, and it holds the paper in place very firmly and nicely. Now the tape, you just want to rip off a small piece, place it on the top of the paper, and press it firmly to the top of the cardboard box. This also allows for a firm and easy hold on the paper so that you can create. Now, when placing this in front of the screen, you want to place it at an angle as I am here so that you can see both the child and what they're creating on the easel. This allows for a great view of the child as they're creating and also the process of what they are making. And as you can see with my artwork created, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.